We're gonna turn this day around. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. It's almost noon and I have just been having the laziest morning. And when I say lazy, I mean like literally just laying in bed, which is okay. It doesn't mean that I've wasted the day and I am just bound to be lazy the entire day. It took me a while to realize that I love my morning routine so much and I love like starting my day on a really good foot. And so when I would wake up late or I'd be lazy or I didn't get what I wanted done in the morning, I was kind of like, oh, okay, well, I'll try again tomorrow and just not be productive the rest of the day, not do what I needed to get done. And I had a realization, and I was in college and I was just in like this bad funk of like, if I woke up late, didn't get what I needed to done in the morning or as early as I wanted to, I was like, oh, okay, try again tomorrow. And then I was like, I'm literally just wasting the rest of the day, and it's almost like procrastination and excuses because you still have half the day. And so I started realizing like even on those days that I wake up a little bit later or I'm not productive in the morning, like I can still do my little morning routine at noon when I wake up, or I can still get all the things I want to done. I don't have to wake up early in order to get those things done and be productive. I can still have a great day. I really like had to learn that lesson, like I said, about a year and a half ago, and it's really like changed my day to day because that was like a huge root of my like procrastination and really like unhappiness, because I'd go like days and days of waking up late and being like, oh, try again tomorrow, and then like 3 days go by and I'm like really feeling bad about myself. We still have half the day. It's noon. I have some errands to run. I have a little DIY project I want to do for one of my friends' birthdays and a bunch of just little tasks around my apartment and tons of laundry to do. We're gonna turn this day around. First thing, I need to shower. My hair is greasy and that'll help reset and refresh myself. Okay, I'm all ready. That really does something to you. Like, don't underestimate the power of a shower, fresh, clean hair, a little makeup, a little matching set. It really just has the power to make you feel real put together. I made a to-do list and we're just gonna tackle it. Tidy up the apartment. I need to order some groceries. I need to take out the trash. I have a couple bags piled up by the door, so that needs to happen. I have so much laundry to do. That's the task that I'm dreading the most because I don't have a laundry facilities in my apartment. It's in the building, it's just not in here, so it's not as convenient, which is why it piles up. And then I want to go to Trader Joe's, Michael's, and I have like a little DIY project that I want to do. I'm also going to get myself a Starbucks to reward myself for tackling the day. I'm really like saying I'm tackling the day and I haven't done it yet, so let's get moving. This is beyond ridiculous. And the washing machines here are so shallow. It's gonna take me like double the amount of loads that I think. I swear they're like half the size of a normal washer and dryer. Okay, I'm gonna like try to sort this a little bit. This is the first time my car's been hot when I've gotten it, and I'm loving it. It actually feels like spring outside. I mean, inside my car right now, it's like 71 degrees. It's gotta be hotter than that. It's so hot in here. But I brought a little thing to cover up when I go in stores. It's hot. I'm gonna run some errands right now. I forgot that I had a laser hair removal appointment tonight at 5:30, so I'm gonna run my little errands right now and then I have to go to my appointment. So I had to hop in the shower real quick to like freshen up and like shave, and then I'm headed to my appointment. This is, I think, like my 4th or 5th appointment, and they've been zapping me. Like, they up the strength of the laser every time I go, and it's getting brutal. I think I have like 10 total sessions, but this is my last session before summer because I need to tan this summer, and like I'm not gonna not do that. So I'm just gonna wait and like resume in September. You can't get laser if your skin's been in the sun for whatever reason. I don't know, but okay, let's go run some errands. I want to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of Squarespace, you're missing out. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your online business. It's the easiest place to build a beautiful website, and there's tons of features. You can sell gated content, whether it's videos, newsletters, online courses. They have mailing lists, blogging, and commenting features, and even scheduling if you are someone who's scheduling your time and booking appointments with clients. You also can sell products through your online store. Squarespace has all the tools for you, whether it's a physical or a digital product, they've got it all covered. I've said this before and I'll say it again, it's 2023. It's time for you to launch your business, your online business, your passion project, whatever it is. I've also said this before and I'll say it again. The best advice I have for anyone who asks me about my YouTube, social media, and this also goes for anything else like regarding your passion project, my best advice is to just start. You might feel like your industry, your market is saturated, but it's only going to be more saturated the days that go by that you don't launch. It doesn't have to be perfect, just launch and adjust. And the best place to do that is Squarespace because they literally have everything for you. It's so user-friendly and easy, but it's also professional and legit. Squarespace will really help you hit the ground running. So you guys can head to squarespace.com/brookditis to start your free trial and save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. It's time for you to build your brand, your store, connect with your audience further. I'm really curious to hear what your passion projects are. Do you have a small business that you run? Do you want to run a small business? Are you on social media and have your own personal brand? Let me know in the comments. I would love to support you guys, and then maybe some of you guys can also find a new small business or someone to support. I just think that would be really nice. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked down in the description for you guys. Okay, my laser's done. I went to Ulta and Trader Joe's. And I also did go into Michael's, but I didn't find what I wanted to get. So it's my friend Mary's birthday tomorrow. These are her favorite thing ever. It's so funny. She was like whips them out at the bar. I also got some stuff from Ulta for myself and also for her. But first, just a little face mask, some eye patches. You need to put your eye patches in the fridge. And if you're not, you're missing out because it's so much better. I got some shave oil. I've always wanted to try shave oil. And I love the Tree Hut brand because I love their like body scrub. I got this for Mary too. I'm always trying whatever is being marketed for a smooth shave. You know, my favorite lip balm or like lip gloss ever. I'm so excited about this. This was such an impulse purchase, but it's the Dior lip oil. This is in just like a light pink color. Smells good. I like it. Ooh, it does have that little tingly like Too Faced lip injection. I like that though. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I bought this. I need to take care of it though. I really shouldn't bring it out to the bar. I'll probably bring it to the bar though. I almost bought these like star pimple patches and they were super sparkly. And then she rings them up and they're $20. And I'm telling you, this like, it was like the tiniest little square and it had like, I don't know how many in there, but like at $20, I was like, okay. I was like, I have never had to do that. But I was like, I'm sorry, like I gotta take that off. Like I can't pay $20 for like 10 pimple patches. That's ridiculous. I also got my mom a little Mother's Day present when I was getting my laser. The girl who does my laser, her name is Alexis. She's really cute and fun and I just love going in there. But she was telling me she got her mom this neck cream and she loves it. So I was like, Mother's Day's coming up. Why don't I get it for her? So it was very expensive neck cream, let me tell you. But I think my mom will really like it. I'll get her like some flowers and then her extremely overpriced neck cream. This is what it is, if anybody knows or wants to know. I'll keep you updated on if my mama likes it. But okay, then from Trader Joe's, I wanted the chicken soup dumplings so bad and they weren't there and I'm just like so upset about it. But I wanted to try these, everything but the bagel chips. Yeah. Some white bread, obviously some chili and lime tortilla chips. These cookies are so yummy. I also got some coconut macaroons. I always see stuff that says like all these protein bars and granola bars actually are filled with junk, and this was a brand that's recommended that's good, so I'm gonna try these and I'll let you know what I think. And that's everything. My lips are so tingly. Okay, I'm gonna go home now. I'm starving. I was resisting opening everything that I just showed. I need to go make dinner. Kitty's in the car with me. She's so sad. She actually does really, really well in the car because I literally drive like 8 hours to New York with her, and she'll cry like this for probably the first like 10-15 minutes, and then the rest of the car ride she just sits right here on the middle and she sleeps and she just chills. But I'm in the car with her because I'm taking her to the vet. A couple weeks ago, if you don't know, I was talking about Kitty has feline leukemia, or FELV, and it's something that she was like born with. It doesn't go away. It's something it's actually one day it will sadly make her pass away. There's different things that say the lifespan's 1.5 years, 2.5 years, whatever, but she's gonna be 3 June 4th, and she's been fine up until now. I talked a few weeks ago about how she was kind of acting a little weird. She's acting completely fine now. She's eating, drinking, she's acting like her normal self. A few weeks ago I noticed that she had a little like open wound on her back, and I wasn't sure what it was. I saw her like scratching it. I just thought maybe she scratched herself and then was like scratching it more to make it like worse. And then last night I noticed that she actually has a couple more, and she's like really itching them bad, and they're like open wounds now, like sores, and they're bleeding, and she's like crying every time she, you know, itches them. And I just know she's probably very uncomfortable. I don't know what this is, so I just want to take her into the vet. I also wouldn't mind, with how weird she was being a few weeks ago, just having them take a look at her overall and look at like the little things. Like I know they can look at her gums and her body and just see if, you know, she's overall healthy, if this is just like an allergy thing or whatever. I don't know. We're going to the vet. Kitty hasn't been to the vet since she was like 6 months old, so we're going. The way that I think this vet visit is gonna go is they're gonna look at that stuff. Maybe they'll give like a cream, or I don't know, something for those like wounds she has, and something to like identify why she's, you know, creating those on her body, and then hopefully be able to tell me like, other than that, she looks super healthy and she's like good for now. That's what I'm hoping for. So